So I decided to purchase the Hatcher store about 6 months ago, and I have to say it's a game changer, and I can't sleep without it. Now I know I'm not the only one, but if I get bad sleep, I'm super cranky the next day. In modern day society, there are a million things running through my head when I'm trying to fall asleep, whether it be my job, finances, the kids, or even my health. And it's super stressful. I've tried numerous sleep aids, white noise machines, and nothing was working. What makes the Hatcher store so unique compared to any other sleep machine out there is the ability for you to create a routine or sleep step to prepare you for bed, fall asleep, and stay asleep, and wake up more naturally the next day with its sunrise alarm. Just the action of turning on the Hatcher store helps relax my body and prepares me for bed because I've associated the sleep steps with restful sleep.